How to fix Siri not working on iPhone iOS 18. If you recently have the newest update of iOS 18 and you realize Siri is not working, this is the right video for you. First things first, you want to head over to your system settings, and once inside, you can just go ahead and look for Siri. Once inside Siri, you want to go ahead and click on Talk to Siri option. From here, you want to make sure that it is set up to Hey Siri or Siri. If still this isn't working, you can just go ahead and click on Off, and then we are going to recalibrate our Siri. Once again, press on any one of these options right here, click on Enable Siri, and once inside, you are going to say Hey Siri multiple times. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, set a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And from there, this should go ahead and help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.